Just got done washing my car. Do the self-wash or self-serve. I swapped my wheels. The competitions aren't on the F80 anymore. It's gonna be a bit of a short video, but I just wanted to showcase the new setup that I have for the F80 because, jeez, man. Dude, it looks so good. I think these and the 513s probably go hand in hand. And mind you guys, this is the same setup that I have, or that I had for the competitions. So I still am running an 18mm spacer in the front and then a 15 in the rear, and it's still perfect fitment, like top notch. Like, this is the best fitment setup for anyone looking. It's amazing. I had to do nothing, just directly swap from the comps. So if you guys haven't watched that video, I'm gonna leave a link for that in the description and also at the end of this video. You guys can go watch that and see what the competitions look like with these spacer setups. But yeah, I think I'm done showcasing that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said before, it's a bit of a quick one, but you know, I had to get a video out. I haven't posted in a month. And I'm finally getting less and less busy, you know, so I'm just excited to keep these videos going. Without further ado, I'm out.